question.
Go ahead, little kitty. Asking questions is a sign of high intelligence.
Which planet came first?
That's excellent. So, let me take this opportunity to explain exciting facts about the oldest planet in our solar system. And that is Jupiter. Zoom in! Although Jupiter is the fifth planet in our solar system in terms of number, but in age, it is probably the first planet to be formed in our solar system around 4.5 billion years ago, and soon became the giant planet with a diameter of around 86,881 miles that can fit around 1,300 Earths in itself. Due to this massive size, scientists assume that under more extreme conditions, Jupiter could have evolved into a double-star companion to our Sun. And despite being so huge, Jupiter is also the fastest planet in the solar system, as it takes only 10 hours to complete one rotation around its axis, meaning a day on Jupiter is only 10 hours long versus 24 hours on Earth. And just like Earth, Jupiter rotates around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. But taking its distance from the Sun into account, which is around 484 million miles apart, it takes a whopping 12 Earth years to complete one revolution around the Sun. And for all these reasons, no one dares to step on its surface. Why? To know about it, please check out our video, What If You Fell into Jupiter Afterwards? But to give you an idea, it is because Jupiter is known to be a gas giant. And unlike the Earth and the other terrestrial planets, it does not have a solid surface. Also, some scientists suggest that Jupiter has a dense liquid center and is surrounded by an ocean of hydrogen and helium gases. Plus, the planet's surface can continuously be seen amid storms, causing wind with a speed of around 192 miles per hour to more than 400 miles per hour. This storm is massive, kind of like a hurricane, and at its widest point, the storm is about 3.5 times the Earth's diameter. On top of that, the atmosphere on Jupiter is very thick, which is composed of a mixture of hydrogen, helium, and much smaller amounts of methane and ammonia. Also, the temperature of the clouds surrounding Jupiter is minus 145 degrees Celsius. On the contrary, the temperature of its inner core is 24,000 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the Sun itself. Due to its hot core, hydrogen, which is in a gaseous form on the Earth, has turned into a liquid on Jupiter. And because Jupiter spins so fast, this swirling liquid ocean of hydrogen generates strong magnetic field, emitting a stronger gravitational force, which is holding more than 67 moons around the planet. Yes, with 4 large moons and many smaller moons, Jupiter forms a kind of miniature solar system. But these strong magnetic pulls let Jupiter face the blow from the frequent asteroids and meteorite showers, which protect the Earth from getting hit by an asteroid. So in short, the temperatures, pressures, and materials that characterize this planet are most likely too extreme and volatile for organisms to adapt to, making life impossible on the largest, heaviest, oldest and the fastest spinning planet we call Jupiter. Trivia time! Did you know Jupiter, being the biggest planet, gets its name from the king of the ancient Roman gods? Another interesting fact is, if you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh 253 pounds on Jupiter. To know more, I once again remind you to please check our video, What If You Fell into Jupiter? Hope you learned something new in today's episode. Until next time, it's me, Dr. Binocs, zooming out.
Never mind.